Detention. If you make a recommendation that you keep the child after school, if you say, hey, the teacher comes to you and says, man, this kid's driving me crazy, they're not doing any work, they're not paying attention, they put their head down, whatever it might be, I say to the teacher, hey, have you given them detention? No, I don't do detention. They got 6 office detentions. Well, guess what? 6 office detentions don't do any good. You know why? Because they're not sitting in front of the person where they're having the problem in the first place. When I recommend detention to a staff, I always say, if you're going to give a detention, give the kid a 15-minute, 20-minute detention, whatever it might be, lunch detention, but you be the one who sits with them. You be the one who sits with them. You be the one who sits there and the kid says, should I be doing my work during this detention? Absolutely not. That ship has already sailed. You already got a 0. However, we need to chat. That's what needs to happen during detention. That's where we need to build those relationships. But we miss the boat, we miss the opportunity by treating detention as a place where kids sit, quiet, do the work they're not doing. So I recommend that as an actual relationship building time. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.